Hello everyone, my name is CMA. Welcome back to CMA modules. Today we will be recording a video lecture on numerical problems of activity-based cost management. We have a separate video lecture for theoretical part of this subject, of this chapter, and numerical problems of this chapter. Now in this video lecture, we will be covering sum number 1 and sum number 2. So let us start with sum number 1. A company manufactures 500 units of product AX. Following details are available. Material cost to manufacture, you have 1,50,000. Labor cost 2,65,000. Material reordering cost 4,500. Material handling cost 2,500. Material orders 35. Material movement 20. What is the total material cost under activity based costing? So you have details. Company has given you details of 500 units. Product AX details of 500 units. Here you have following details. Material cost, manufacturing cost of material 1,50,000. Labor cost they have given. They have given you, if you reorder your material, you will have to go for 4,500. If you go for material handling cost 2,500. Material order 35 and material movement 20. So material order and material movement, they are irrelevant data for this question. Here they are asking us to go for total material cost. So labor cost is also irrelevant for us. So what we are supposed to do here is take your material cost related to manufacture. Okay, material cost related to manufacture, that is 1,50,000. Then you have material reordering cost. So material reordering cost is 4,500. Then you have material handling cost. Material handling cost 2,500. Then material order, material movement, we are supposed to ignore. So I've ignored three things: labor cost, material order, and material movements. If I total this up, I'll get 1,57,500. This is my total material cost. Then let's go for sum number 2. Sum number 2 is, they are asking us production overheads of XYZ Manufacturers Private Limited for 500 units of product X are: machine oriented activity cost 1,35,400, material ordering overheads 69,570, machine hours given here is 1.50 hours per unit, and number of material orders are rupees 6 per unit. Raw material cost rupees 300 per unit and labor cost rupees 150 per unit. We are supposed to find out total cost here. So even if they have given you labor cost or overheads or material, you are supposed to take all. Sab lena hai, everything. Material hai, you have to take material. If labor details are given, you have to take labor. If other expenses are given, you have to take other expenses. That will form your total cost. Let us go for this question. So we have first one is machine oriented activity. So here in this question, what they have done is they have given us details related to activity. Matlab activity wise they have given us cost bifurcation. So for preparing a product, okay, preparing a product XYZ manufacturing company, what they have done, they have divided the costing as per activities. Matlab if I go for ordering activity, I'll have this much cost. If I go for machine oriented related activity, then I'll have this much cost. So our solution also will be in terms of activities. So I have machine oriented activity cost. So I'll note down total cost. So total cost for 500 units given to me is 1,35,400, right? This is rupees. Given to me is 1,35,400. Then I have machine hours for 500 units. So have they given machine hours? They have given me machine hours for 1 unit. Machine hours for 1 unit is 1.5 hours. Okay, is 1.5 hours. So machine hours for 500 units will be equal to 1.5 into 500 hours. That will give me 750 hours. Now I want a machine oriented cost per hour. I can find that out. 1,35,000 rupees, 1,35,400 divided by 750. If I do this, I'll get rupees 180.53. So this is per hour. Now let me go for same cost, machine oriented cost per unit wise. So here you have number of material orders as 6 per unit. Okay, so 1.5 per hour per unit they have given. So how many units? 500 units. So for 1 hour it is 1.5 hours. Machine hours are 1.5 hours per unit. And number of material orders are, so that is related to material order, second activity. Material cost per unit, if I want to find out material cost per unit, 180 rupees 0.53 is my cost. 180.53 I'll have to multiply with 1.5. So 180.53. So in 1.5 hour they are preparing one product. So cost of one product is 180.53 into 1.5. That will give me 270.80. Sorry for creating confusion. I'll repeat myself. So here they are preparing costing. They are going for costing activity wise. So my first activity is related to machine oriented activity. Here they have given me total units. Total units are 500 units. Now machine oriented activity total cost, that is cost for 500 units given to me, is 1,35,400. Then I have machine hours for 1 unit. So machine hours given to me for 1 unit is 1.5 hours. 1.5 घंटा लगता है एक यूनिट बनाने के लिए. तो 500 यूनिट्स बनाने के लिए कितना घंटा लगता है? 750 hours. So that part is clear. Now I want to find out costing. Per hour or per unit कितना लगेगा? तो 1,35,400 is total cost divided by total hours. That will give you cost per hour. एक घंटे का 180.53 है तो 1.5 घंटे का कितना होगा? 270.80. To prepare 1 unit, I require 1.5 hours. So that's why I have taken 180.53 and I have multiplied it with 1.5 hours. So I've completed machine oriented cost per unit and per hour. Now let me go for next activity, that is material order activity. Material ordering activity. Here they have given me material order cost rupees 69,570. Then they have given me that number of material orders are rupees 6 per unit. So number of material orders are rupees 6 per unit. रुपीज 6 पर यूनिट. सो एक यूनिट के लिए 6 रुपीज का खर्चा है. सो टोटल कॉस्ट फॉर 500 यूनिट्स is rupees 6 into 500. That will give you 3,000 rupees. Okay, now we have Material ordering cost per order. So 69,570 is my total cost. 69,570 is my total cost. Okay, your number of material orders are 6 per unit. So this is my total cost, total orders. Total orders, how many orders are required? So total orders required are 3000 orders. This is wrong. This is 3000 orders. Number of material orders are 6 per unit. 6 orders for 1 unit. So for 500 units, how many orders? 3000 orders. So I have 69,570 as total cost divided by 3000. I will get per unit ordering cost. So that is 23.19 rupee. Now this 23.19 rupee, I am supposed to multiply 23.19 rupee. I am supposed to multiply with my number of orders. So total material order cost per unit equal to 6 rupees into 23.19. So I'll get rupees 139.14. So I had material ordering cost, total cost 69,570. Number of material orders are 6 per unit. Number of material orders are 6. 6 orders for 1 unit. 6 orders for 1 unit. So total orders for 500 units, 3000 orders. 3000 ऑर्डर्स करेंगे तभी 500 यूनिट्स आएंगे. तो एक ऑर्डर के पीछे कितना खर्चा है? दैट इज 23.19 रुपीज. ओके, एक यूनिट को ऑर्डर करने के लिए कितना खर्चा है? 139.14. ओके, कॉस्ट पर यूनिट. तो एक यूनिट को 6 टाइम्स ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा ना. तो 6 इंटू 23.19. तो एक यूनिट को मैं 6 बार, सपोज यूनिट 1 है, यूनिट 1 को 6 बार I ordered it for 6 times. So 6 into 6 times I'm paying 23.19. If I sum it up, I'll get 139.14. Now I have total cost of X per unit. I'm supposed to answer them, the total cost. So what I'll do, I'll prepare a cost sheet wherein I'll answer them in amount. Okay, in a statement form I'll answer them. Here I have particulars. Okay, now what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to take my per unit cost. So raw material cost is given to me. If you see here, 300 per unit is given. Since they had given here in terms of per unit, that's why other two costs were in total. I divided that and found out in per unit. Then you have labor cost. Labor cost is also in per unit, so I divided that as well. Then you have machine oriented cost, that is 270.80 in terms of per unit you are taking. Then you have material order cost. So material order cost is 139.14. If you sum this up, you will get your answer. This is your total cost. Okay. I hope you are comfortable with sum number 1 and 2. We'll have one more lecture wherein we will be recording sum number 3 and 4. Thank you.